Hi students, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor of Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed dimensions. What is the dimensions? The power is raised the fundamental unit to get a derived unit is called dimensions. Today discussed dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. The formula which indicates relationship between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity is known as dimensional formula. Repeat once again. The dimensional formula. Define the dimension formula. The formula which indicates relationship between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity is known as dimension formula. The dimension formula represented square bracket. The square bracket. For example, first one. The dimensional formula of length is L. The square bracket of L. The second one is the dimensional formula of mass is the capital M. The square bracket of M. The third one is the dimensional formula of time is the T. The importance of length M time. The dimensional formula uses the three fundamental quantities. First one L, M, T. The general form of dimension formula is square bracket of M power of A, L power of B, T power of C, where A comma B comma C the dimensions with respect to mass, length, temperature, time. The general form of dimensional formula is the square bracket of M power of A, L power of B, T power of C. The power means the dimensions. The dimensions A, B, C with respect to mass, length, time. The next one topic is dimension formula of physical quantity. This is the important topic of the first chapter. Dimension formula of physical quantity. The first one is the area is the physical quantity. Area is the physical quantity. The formula of area. Length into breadth or width. Breadth. Length into breadth. Area formula. Length means L into breadth means L. Is the L square. Is the formula of area. Next one is the to write down the dimension formula. Dimensional formula. The length. The dimensions of length is the capital L. The L. The square. L square. The dimensional formula of area is the square bracket of L square or M power of 0 L square T power of 0. There is no mass in area, so M power of 0. There is no time in area. Therefore, since M power of 0 means 1, T power of 0 means 1. 1 into L square into 1 equal to L square. So the dimension formula of area is L square or m power of 0 L square t power of 0. The SI unit of area, SI unit, the L square length is measured SI unit meter. Meter into meter, meter square is the meter square. Repeat once again. The physical quantity of area, the formula is area length into breadth. The formula L into L square. To write the dimensional formula is the length. The dimensional formula of length is L square. L square. The dimensional formula represented by square bracket is the L square. Or the dimensional formula of m power of 0 L square t power of 0. M power of 0 means there is no mass in area. There is no mass time in area. So m power of 0 t power of 0 equal to 1. Next one is the SI unit of area. Length into length, length square. The SI unit of length, meter. Meter into meter is the meter square. The second one is physical quantity of volume. Physical quantity of volume. The formula of volume, length into breadth into height. We consider breadth hand is means length. L into L is called L cube. Is the length. The formula of volume is the L cube. L means is the length. Next one is the dimension formula of volume. Dimension formula of volume. There is only length. The square bracket of L cube or m power of 0 L cube t power of 0 is the dimension formula of volume. The SI unit of volume is the L cube. The SI unit of length is meter. Meter into meter equal meter cube. This is the SI unit of volume. Repeat once again. The physical quantity of volume. The formula length into breadth into height. L into L into L cube. Dimensional formula is the L cube or m power of 0 L cube t power of 0. There is no mass in volume. There is no time in volume. So m power of 0 t power of 0 is equal to 1 and t power of 0 is equal to 1. The SI unit of volume is called meter cube. The third one physical quantity is density. Density. The formula is mass by volume. Mass by volume. The mass is the m. The volume is the L cube. Volume means length into breadth into height. Breadth hand is considered length is the L cube. M into L power of minus 3 is the formula of density. Next we write down the dimensional formula of density is the mass. Mass into length whole to the power of minus 3. The mass, the dimensional formula of mass is m. Is the m. Next one is the length of the dimensional formula is L. L to the power of minus 3. Repeat once again. Mass. The dimensional formula of mass is capital M. The length of the dimensional formula is L. Is the whole to the power of minus 3. The dimensional formula of density is the square bracket of m into L to the power of minus 3 or m into L to the power of minus 3 t to the power of 0 is the dimensional formula. Next one is the SI unit. The SI unit of density. The SI unit of density. Mass. Mass is the SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of length is meter into meter whole to the power of minus 3 or kilogram per meter cube. This is the density. Repeat once again, the SI unit of density is the mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The length of the SI unit is meter. Is the -3, whole to the power of -3 or kilogram by meter cube. The fourth one, physical quantity is velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The rate of change of displacement A to B. The rate of change of the time is example 1 second. To starting point is the 2 minutes. The rate of change of displacement. The distance displacement 0 is the kilometers. Is the 2 kilometers. The change in displacement is called velocity. The formula displacement by time. Displacement by time. Displacement means is the meter the length. Is the length L by time is T. The formula of velocity length L by T or S by T or X by T. The formula of L by T or S by T or X by T or D by T is the formula of velocity. Next one is the dimension formula of velocity. The dimension formula length. The dimension formula of length is capital L. And the dimension formula of time is T. T inverse. The dimension formula of velocity or m power of 0 L T inverse. Mass. There is no mass in velocity. So m power of 0. Next one is the L. L means is the displacement. The dimension formula of displacement is L. The dimension formula of time is T by T. If the change the position is the numerator, T to the power of -1. Next one is the SI unit of velocity. SI unit of velocity displacement. The displacement of SI unit is the meter by time is the SI unit of time is second. Meter by second or m is to the power of -1. This is the physical quantity of velocity. Is the formula, dimension formula and SI unit. The fifth one physical quantity is acceleration. Is denoted by A. What is the definition of acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Velocity by time. Now another definition is the velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Repeat once again. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time is the velocity formula. Another one is the by time. Therefore displacement is the L by T square. Okay, now there is no confuse. Acceleration, the rate of change of displacement, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. This is the velocity. Another definition is the velocity. What is the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Displacement by time is the velocity formula. The another one is time by time. Displacement by time. Displacement indicates the length L. Time by time, time square, L by T square. This is the physical quantity of acceleration formula. Another one is the dimension formula. Dimensional formula. velocity L by t square. The dimension formula L. The dimension formula of L is called capital L. Next one is the dimension formula of time t square is the denominator. To change the numerator, t to the power of minus 2. The square bracket of L, t to the power of minus 2. This is dimension formula of acceleration, or m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 2 is the dimensional formula of acceleration. Next one is the SI unit. There is no mass, so mass equal 1. Another one is the length. The SI unit of length is meter. Next one is the time. The SI unit of time is second, but t to the power of minus 2. S to the power of minus 2. So the SI unit of acceleration is m into s to the power of minus 2.